Ah, chocolate chip cookies, the Mona Lisa of desserts, the Beatles of baked goods. Okay, you get it. They're iconic, but in the crowded world of chocolate chip cookie recipes, finding the one that can feel like searching for chocolate chips in a bowl of oatmeal raisin betrayal. Fear not. This recipe delivers the perfect mix of crisp edges, gooey centers, and just enough chocolate to make you forget your name. The quest for cookie greatness. Before we dive into the bowl, figuratively please, let's talk about the real star of the show, the chocolate. You want to treat this like a high-stakes relationship. No cheap fillers here. Grab the good stuff. Semi-sweet, dark, milk, or even those bougie chunks from the fancy grocery store. Your cookies deserve it, and so do you. Ingredients that'll make you famous. 2 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup, which is 2 sticks, unsalted butter, softened, 3/4 of a cup granulated sugar, 3/4 of a cup packed brown sugar, because caramel undertones equal cookie magic, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, or an extra splash if you're feeling daring, 2 large eggs, 2 cups semi-sweet chocolate chips, or a mix of your favorites, optional, 1 cup chopped nuts if you're into that kind of thing. Instructions for cookie glory. Preheat and prep. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Line your baking sheets with parchment paper, because who has time for scrubbing cookie carnage later? Mix it up. In a small bowl, combine flour, baking soda, and salt set aside. In a larger bowl, cream together the butter, granulated sugar, brown sugar, and the vanilla extract until it's smoother than your favorite slow jams. Egg them on. Beat in the eggs one at a time, making sure everything is well combined. Gradually add the flour mixture and stir like your cookie-eating future depends on it, because it does. Chock a lot of love. Fold in the chocolate chips and optional nuts. Try not to eat the dough. Okay, maybe 1 spool for quality control. Scoop and bake. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto your pre-prepared baking sheets. Keep them a respectful distance apart because cookies, like people, need personal space. Bake for 9 to 11 minutes or until they're golden brown and smell like happiness. Cool, or don't. Let the cookie cool on the baking sheet for 2 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack. Or, if you're like me, risk third-degree burns for that gooey, fresh-out-of-the-oven magic. Bonus tips for cookie greatness. Sprinkle a pinch of flaky sea salt on top before baking. Trust me, it's a game changer. If you like your cookies thicker, chill the dough for 30 minutes before baking. Patience, grasshopper. Bake half the dough now and freeze the rest in scooped portions. Future you will be eternally grateful. So there you have it. A recipe so good your friends might start calling you the Cookie Whisperer. Whether you're bribing coworkers, wooing a crush, or just treating yourself, you should always treat yourself. These cookies are a surefire win. Now go forth and bake. And don't forget to save a few for yourself. Or not. No judgment here. So you've got the perfect chocolate chip cookie recipe. Now you need the perfect kitchen to bake them in. Imagine whipping up these gooey delights in a stunning, spacious kitchen with gleaming countertops, top-of-the-line appliances, and enough room for all your cookie experiments, and maybe even a cookie jar or 2. As your local Space Coast realtor, I specialize in helping you find not just a house, but a home. One where memories like baking cookies with loved ones come to life. Whether you're dreaming of a cozy kitchen nook or a gourmet chef's paradise, I'm here to make it happen. Give me a call and let me find you the home of your dreams with a kitchen that's just as sweet as your cookies. Because a house is more than just 4 walls. It's where the magic and the baking